Oh, do me real quick, Twin. Do me real quick, good. Weezy, Woo! Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Kavars with a capital V. What's happening, Capital Crew? You feel me? What's going on, man? Hope y'all had a good Easter. Hope y'all had a good weekend overall, man. Appreciate you for clicking on this video and watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Also, go in the description and follow me on Twitch, man. I've been streaming. I stream for 4 hours a day. Hey, that's new to me. I'm doing it for y'all though. So it was a good success. You know, people started following, conversating with me, so it's pretty fun. So make sure you follow me on Twitch, man, and get so we can get active. Real talk, real talk. But I'm reacting to DDG surprising his family with a $3 million private jet. I'm gonna see what is going on. I'm gonna see if it's cap or not, but we gonna check into it. You know what I'm saying? DDG is one of the few YouTubers I still watch, but I used to watch back then when I first started this YouTube stuff. It's a few of them: Pretty Boy Fredo, Funny Mike. Shoot, that's really about it. Starting out like at the very beginning. So I've been rocking with DDG for a little minute now. Let's get into it. You know how we do it. Yo.
Field. Is it weak? Or should I throw this shirt on? Let's put the chain on top of the shirt.
Got bulletproof vest.
That's harder than that. Girl. I'll wear this on the plane then.
Who got a baby girl with him? You heard me. Got baby girl, you heard me. Ow.
She snitched.
What?
She snitched. This is the only brush I got.
No cap. That's a big ass nigga. Especially looking at TT side. Ah.
This is the only brush
Big
I
ass
got.
nigga. Take his ass to the NFL that motherfucker.
Goes for your face. You didn't bring no brush.
That ain't cool.
No.
Is that a wig?
It's cringy.
Is that a wig?
Yeah, it's weird.
I thought so.
He said, I thought so.
Hell, they get.
Why don't he just take one of them? He just took one of these.
What is?
Why don't he just take one of them? He just took one of these. I'm offended.
Hell.
That's crazy.
Oh, that's lit.
You just went and grabbed one of these. Let me take it. So these free, right?
On the PJ. Yeah.
A little bit, right? Oh, they gonna try to rush it.
Yeah. Yeah. I need to see
Woo Up only 7 years old on a private plane. His regular Woo Up.
Yeah.
this.
Man.
Regulars, huh?
Yeah.
Got Brittany
Oh,
in the
watch
cut.
out. Don't put that back.
Whole
Watch out.
fam, you know what I'm saying?
You're supposed to give him your bag. I'm old. I'm about to shoot the I'm Geeking video, y'all.
We're gonna go back.
On a private jet.
Where should we sit so we can read?
You not even starting right
You know what I'm saying? He spend the money, but he used the money to make a music video and shit. I feel you, you know what I'm saying?
It don't matter. Okay.
How you supposed to do shit?
Hey!
I'm paying for something, I'm gonna get something out of it. I'm gotta make
That
some
nigga
money.
calling all his homies from the hood and shit.
That's how it be though. I know I keep pausing and shit. So let me call a goddamn cousin on that motherfucker. Goddamn. Spin around, spin around. You ain't gonna believe this shit. Auntie! On the jet! You heard me.
That's what I'm paying. When you come from the real hood, because I know y'all from the birds, this is a success story. Y'all from the birds, so y'all used to this shit. I really had to boil water to wash my back. Y'all understand that. 40 minutes, guys. Enjoy it. We flying Spirit back. Hey, I had to call y'all boys, let y'all know. Y'all enjoy it. Y'all enjoy it. This joke can not only hit, this joke also has to hit in the other room. Come on, let's see if it hit in this room too. Y'all
got mine,
do it, because we flying Spirit back. I'm saying, that's the feel you get from it. Like, just not like, I want it to seem like I do this shit every day, bro. Regular. Smiling in that bitch, niggas just vibe.
If anything, the flight's kind of an inconvenience because you have something better to do.
Right.
You know, maybe the food not as good, but I'll take this experience to stay. You know,
Harbor jet ship.
you know, got the boy Ed vlogging me and shit.
Do you want to grow your YouTube channel?
Scholar
You should consider
vlogging in
getting
that motherfucker.
I've been using Tubari for the last.
I'm the superstar of this vlog. No,
Bro.
yeah, I don't know either.
If I got a jury on and shit,
I'm speechless, to be honest.
looks good, smelling good. You heard me.
Change the band, got the white band on there, man. Come on. Mr. Player, is this, see how it's cropped in the back?
It's a jet, bro. You match with it.
I am on the jet, I'm tripping. Don't get it fucked. This could be regular, but you know, it's just, I never understood flying a jet in the first place. I mean, this is cool, this is dope, but it's just like, first class, you get the same shit.
Low. I guess, I mean, what y'all think, man? Like, is he, do y'all agree with him? I kind of sort of agree with him, but at the same time, you do get that privacy. You get that more comfortable feel in a jet, you know, a private jet. But at the same time, if you looking to manage money and save money, first class could be hitting, just like the private jet. Like you said, you get your total privacy rather than, you know, not so total.
Maybe I'm just poor, I don't know. But it's a 2001 for 30 minutes. You know what I could have did with 18 bands? I could have got a hair transplant.
For sure, that's where it is.
We only got 30 minutes to decide.
Maybe the shirt because
Maybe you give me for all this.
oh, this is an everyday thing. Like we chilling.
Yeah.
Maybe it'd be better with the shirt.
Look like I'm trying too hard.
It might, honestly.
What the fuck is that? I thought that nigga was opening up a garbage bag in that book. Alright.
It might.
Hey, that's fashion. Hey, I ain't knocking you. Heard me. I'm just not used to it.
It look like it's big. It look like a poncho.
I know what I'm saying. Big is too big.
I think the shirt with the chains out. That's my
shirt,
shirt.
not the best.
I don't mind the vest though. But I feel like if you want it to be like, oh, this is what I do
You trying so hard to
every
keep the
day.
glass. What gonna happen when they touch down?
Damn, what's
When that pack touch down. Pray that we don't get indicted. God damn.
gonna take about a couple months?
Like anything different about me? What? It's grown in a little bit.
Ah! Go on, be bald, man. Come on, man.
Anything else?
This nigga do look 40.
I got my ears pierced. Oh, I ain't even know that.
Oh shit! I thought he was talking about his head. I noticed his ears pierced. I was like, Bro, I thought you been had this shit.
Yeah,
This nigga took off his hat and showed his ears. What the fuck?
Ah, that's a little faster than I thought. Damn, that's a little faster than I thought. This is the real gas. Damn.
Oh, one thing with private jets though, goddamn, you ain't gotta wear your buckle. I'm pretty sure you can walk back and forth and shit on private jets, which makes it more comfortable. So, you know.
Bumping.
Hands up, yeah. Boy, like goddamn GTA that motherfucker. Snowfall. Alright, what's going on with that touchdown? I got talk to me. Talk to me. It's all wrong.
They go so low. Jets actually. Do what I do and see if what would you rank me? Because right now I think I can knock anybody out. I think I would whoop your ass so bad that you would probably like reconsider being. Do you think related to me and shit? You think he'd just knock me out, right? It's different now. Yeah.
I don't know, man. Like I always say, Dove's strong motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? But it takes more than strength in the boxing ring. But DDG probably have more athleticism. But both of them trained for a couple months. I don't know. It can be hard though.
I'm telling you.
It can be hard though.
I'm trying to take.
Who y'all choosing, man? Love or DDG?
For a lawn that looks like this, but your lawn looks a little more
the
like
true
this,
green.
then you should click right here and check out True.
Only one green I'm worried about. You feel me?
I'm trying to tell you. I can say Aries can beat me if he grabbed me, bro. No. I'm gonna be punching this nigga so fast, bro. I'm trying to tell you.
Hard, bro. That's bad. Shit don't matter.
Because a lot of people like I want to say like, okay, no disrespect to like George or something. George don't know how to. He ain't got that. George gonna fight me like this, and I'm gonna catch it like this.
That's what you think I'm gonna fight you like?
You gonna fight me like this, and I'm gonna just.
So you think I'm gonna fight
As soon
you
as you swing, I'm a parry your punch.
You gonna
That
Jordan was gonna parry.
That was
You gonna
parry.
do it again.
Woo-ah. So like throw a punch.
Come here.
No, what you gonna do?
Who you think
Oh, you gonna touch
fight?
me? You gonna touch me?
No. Swing. This is a parry.
Be honest.
Nigga, I got a lot of head.
That's a parry. Damn.
He going for his dad.
Trying to be loyal and shit.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. You said be honest. You weak.
Promise you on my life.
Tell him who up. You heard me.
You think I'm weak?
Yes.
You know
what I did to your
motherfucker.
Hey, I'm finna go do that. Remember I jumped off that building last time? I'm about to do it, but I'm gonna rap my song on the way down.
That experience is cool because that's only $19.
We not staying there.
Look at mama, dude.
I'm cool. I don't want to stand
Mom,
up.
dude.
I go to the wing. You probably know.
You was just spinning.
Oh shit. David's in that motherfucker.
He passed out twice when he did it.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I mean the video.
You better look for the video.
It's
That's
like
why I
5 years ago.
did it. Passed out twice. Let me go search it up. You gonna get hit with 10 ads while you watching it.
Stop playing, give me Brawley.